Today I am going to explain you about the difference between the temperature of hot water, cold water, and normal water. For explaining that I want to do one activity. For that activity we need three glasses, and I have marked them: A with the hot water, B with the cold water, and C with the normal water. Normal water, it means you can use your tap water, and cold water means you can use a freezer water, and hot water, in hot water you can use your boiled water. Okay, for that I don't have clinical thermometer, that's why I'm using this room thermometer. So for doing that, first dip your thermometer on the normal tap water, wait for a while, then we will put that thermometer, we will do like this with the thermometer, and then we are going to put the thermometer inside this hot water. Inside this hot water we are going to pour it. Okay, so just wait for a while, and then it will take its position. We have to wait for 1 minute, and I think it is. So I am going to take out my thermometer, and I can, this have both measures Celsius and Fahrenheit. So I want to show you this. So in Celsius it's 50 Celsius, and Fahrenheit it's 120 Fahrenheit. Okay, so I am going to write this temperature on that. 180 Fahrenheit and 50 Celsius. I have written, I will put it here. Then cold water, it stands for the cold water. So just put this thermometer again in the normal tap water and wait for a while. Then take it and shake. Do like this again. Then put it in the cold water. Okay, and then wait for a while. So by this activity you will understand that the temperature between hot water, cold water, and normal water are very different. So I think it is, and I am going to look it. So just in Celsius it is 5 Celsius, and in Fahrenheit it is 40 Fahrenheit. You can look. Then again we are going to put it in normal tap water, wait for a while, then shake it well like this. Then put it in the normal water. Normal water means, as you know, tap water, I have told you. So wait for a while, and I'll write the temperature here. It was 5 degrees Celsius and 40 Fahrenheit. So I think it is. Now I'm going to take out, and as you can look that the Celsius scale is still 25. So in Celsius it's 25, and in Fahrenheit it's 80. So as you know it very well that the normal water normal water is more than the cold water and less than the hot water. So by this activity you understand that hot वाटर का टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा होता है बजाय नॉर्मल वाटर से, और कोल्ड वाटर का टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा कम होता है बजाय नॉर्मल वाटर और हॉट वाटर से. तो कोल्ड वाटर आपके लिए इतना हेल्दी नहीं होता है जितना आपके लिए हॉट वाटर और नॉर्मल वाटर हेल्दी होता है. तो आप समझ गए होंगे कि हॉट वाटर की टेम्परेचर कैपेसिटी काफ़ी ज़्यादा होती है, और कोल्ड वाटर की टेम्परेचर की कैपेसिटी काफ़ी कम होती है, और नॉर्मल वाटर की नॉर्मल रहती है. थैंक यू.